Well, today's the day. Whew. There she is, 1935 Ford cab. Yeah, baby. She's a little rough, but she's got great patina. So I got the 90% of the storage cleaned out in another storage. This is my trash pile. Of course, I gotta come back and get the rollaway tomorrow. I'm gonna get a laborer. So I got everything in here right now. Front fenders, hood, floorboard accessories. Got the bed sides, the tailgate in the front of the bed, one of the doors, and the rear fenders. These rear fenders would make a sick fender on the back of an old school rat rod Harley, like some kind of nice steampunk looking rat rod machine. Anyways, I got it all, bro. Let's do this.